Ka Umsning Rotary Satellite Club but ka St. Michael's High Secondary School hakalai phau tarik Nailar kala pelong ya ka career guidance but awareness program halor ka jingkoit jingkhiah lyngba ki dawai tynrai kum ka Ayurveda, yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha but Homeopathy Ayush nak bynta ki khynnah pule science hagi class 10, 11 but 12 jong ka St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning. Kani ka program ka long ru ban batai kini ki khynnah skul bikin jied ik jingpule hadin bikle pendap ka class 12 na ka benta ka lawai bat ban kamai ka ji ha ka jing em jongki kumjo ban chakri ki para-briew kum ki doktor ki bla pentebit ha kini ki lan Jingstad ka Dr. Emidaka Dkhar medical officer na ka YONA Wellness and Healthcare Shillong kala long ka nongkren bakongsan ha kini ka awareness program ha kini ka sngi Hakini ka program la ay lat ru iki khynnah skul ban bu ki jingkli babun jat baki kwa ban tip bat ban yo jing pensyai halor kiti ki Jingstad bat jing shempang ban sumar sukheri ki nongpang. La batai bat pensyai ru baki dan belai ki lat kamai kaji lyngba ka Ayush hasor bat ki nong kendong. Ki jing sumar bat ki dawai Ayush ki long ki babha namar ki penun kam ki Jingstad science bat ki jing sumar ki baki briew ki penun kam kat kum ka dustur kariti ha ka wei pakawei ka jat penriu. Kani ka program ay jingkhiah ba jing pensyai kalong ka Seisoh akani ka sngi namar ki khynnah skul ki la yo jing tip kham shai bat kham janai ki jingpule ki bede bat ki lat sumar sukher yi ki nongpang lyngba ka Jingstad Ayush.
No one? Seriously? Okay then. How many of you want to become doctors or you don't want to tell your friends? Allopathy comes in modern medicine, everything. Next, at least you try. Thank you. Next row? Anything else? Now you probably say, I know Ayurveda, I know Homeo. Anything else? No? No? You can smile and laugh a bit, okay? Because it's completely fine. You don't have to be so serious. You're about to go home and have your snacks, so you must be a bit excited, right? Right? Okay. Alright. So now in in today's session, I'll be talking about Ayush. How many of you know what Ayush is? No one? How many of you have met a doctor before? Seriously? None of you? Hands up, up. Seriously, how many of you know a doctor? At least one doctor. Okay. Seriously? But does the doctor say no? No? Okay, fine. Okay? How? The only time you have to scream, okay, that's why I'm telling you, say louder. What does AYUSH? Okay, let's all listen to her. Alright. So now medicine is of two branches. So what is that? Modern medicine and traditional. Very good. Okay. So in traditional, what do we have? Something called Ayush. And modern medicine is called MBBS. the type of doctor that everybody knows about. Every corner. Why? What is why? Yoga and yes, very good. Yoga and naturopathy. Okay, so it is also called as functional medicine. All right. Now in Ayush altogether we have different names. Okay, but the most commonly used name is something what we call integrative healthcare. What is it called? Very good. Now in integrative healthcare, what we do is we combine treatments from Ayush, from Ayurveda, from yoga and naturopathy, from Unani, from Siddha and from Homeopathy. Right? Okay. So now you must be thinking, okay, it's talking about Ayush, Ayurveda, blah blah blah, right? So now what is the difference between each and every single stream? What is Ayurveda? How is Ayurveda different from yoga? How is Ayurveda different from Unani, Siddha, Homeo? You must be thinking about that. If you aren't, at least you must be thinking about it now. Yeah? Okay, good. So now in Ayurveda, we focus on different types of medicine, herbs. We talk about different types of elements that we focus on. Alright? This is just in simple terms, okay? Now, in yoga and naturopathy, we focus on what? We focus on movement, and along with that, we focus on 5 elements. Okay? Meaning, we basically integrate everything around us in terms of nature with us and correlate it with our body. Okay? And now, Unani. What is Unani? Unani and Siddha are two very, very, very old practices. They are currently only practiced in regions like Tamil Nadu. You know where Tamil Nadu is? No? Somewhere around India? Somewhere? Is it like that? Or you know where Tamil Nadu is? You know? Have you heard of Chennai? Chennai? Yes. Okay. Have you seen the movie Chennai Express? Yes. Now at least you know where Chennai is. Okay? So Chennai is a part of some place called Tamil Nadu, somewhere down south. Okay? So now in Tamil Nadu, they practice mainly Unani and Siddha. Okay? Unani was earlier practiced by the, who you know?
Bila skul kan dia sudah setengah kan kita skul dan mengenai budaya kan bila agak juga asing dan hari kita mengenai budaya pada bila ai ke ilakan bagi setelah bagi siapa kena banyakwan participate ketika program ini. Ada di Jerman juga club ini Umsning Rotary Satellite Club ini. Dia play ashpun play benar. Dia dari bageri teman mutasi, di secretary ini Rumi Ladeshta. Dia rekan bagi Pak Abel. Jika di treasurer ini Ladeshta biru rekan bagi Pak Manwas Nomba. Pak Wirwan ka sponsor club ini Rotary Club Rotary Orchid Team dengan play itu de play staro tamai lalai Manchester and Rancho was a sub menaik laiwan de pada bisa kena play score tak laiwan de mentas ada ai sekat freshman I graduate thank you
Class XII Science dan regional group de radio regional ke kewajiban di Kabul no di kata jam mana event itu sampai ke jemput ini itu sampai sasan sebelum di sawah bila di hadir ke jemput dan jemput juga di pada jemput session masih somber right jadi kelam ini kelam Pertemuan perjanjian yang ada saudara-saudara yang juga semuanya